Hello everyone, in this video, we will be discussing Mendel's law of heredity. Mendel's law of heredity is a fundamental principle of genetics that explains how traits are passed down from one generation to the next. This principle was discovered by Gregor Mendel, a scientist who conducted experiments on pea plants in the mid-1800s. Mendel's law of heredity can be explained through three key principles: the principle of segregation, the principle of independent assortment, and the principle of dominance. The principle of segregation. This principle states that during the formation of reproductive cells, the pairs of hereditary factors or alleles segregate so that each gamete receives only one allele for each trait. In other words, the two alleles for each gene separate during the formation of gametes, so that each gamete contains only one allele. The principle of independent assortment. This principle states that the inheritance of one trait is not affected by the inheritance of another. In other words, the genes for different traits are inherited independently of each other. The principle of dominance. This principle states that one allele can mask the expression of another allele, which is called the recessive allele. The dominant allele is expressed when both dominant and recessive alleles are present. In conclusion, Mendel's law of heredity is a fundamental principle of genetics that explains how traits are passed down from one generation to the next. The principles of segregation, independent assortment, and dominance play a key role in this process. Understanding Mendel's law of heredity is essential in modern genetics and has important applications in fields such as agriculture, medicine, and biotechnology.